Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high.
Hi you guys, welcome back to a new video. My name is Sha'Naya. If you are new, start what you're doing and hit the like button right now. I greatly appreciate it. Likes do help and also comments help. So leave a comment to push my videos further in the algorithm. I ordered some more stuff from Temu. This is what the package is looking like. I'm really excited to see how everything looks. I love everything that I got in my first package. If you have not seen that video, make sure you check it out. If you're interested in any of the products in this video, make sure you check the description box. All of the links and prices will be there. And also make sure you use my code. My code will also be somewhere on the screen. Make sure you use that code if you are a new app user to get percentages off. And you can also use my bundle code. Let's go ahead and open this up. I'm super excited to see everything in person. And before we get into the video, I just want to say that I'm not sweaty and this bodysuit is clean, but it has been worn tons of times in the past, so it does have a permanent sweat stain, but I don't care. I'm gonna keep wearing it because it's cute. I'm just gonna rip it open like that. This is what it's looking like. I'm gonna start off with this. This is a blue dress. I'm really excited about this. I actually got this dress in an extra small. I have not worn an extra small probably since like middle school. I wear a small. But I wanted this to be skin tight, so I'm really praying that it fits like a glove. That's how I want it to fit. But it is so cute. I love this color. I feel like every color looks good on my skin tone, so I decided to go with the blue. But they had tons of colors available. It's super stretchy, very stretchy. And this is the material up close. Really soft. Next thing I picked up were these yoga fitness shorts. I've literally seen these everywhere. I got a small booty, so I'm hoping it makes it look a little plump. But I decided to get them in the color purple, and they're so cute. This is the material up close. I feel like I'm the only one that doesn't have a pair of these shorts. Girlies either have the shorts or the pants, and I didn't have neither, so I definitely had to pick them up. I would say they have a good little stretch to them. Here's the front, and then here is the bag. The next thing I picked up was a silver bag. I love bags. I have so many, and I do not have this color at all. I want to start taking cute pictures for Instagram and stuff, so I decided that I would get this. I think this would be a cute little piece to add to an outfit. It's just a nice little shoulder bag. Real cute. This is what the inside looks like. So I feel like it has a good amount of space in here. So I'm not gonna lie, my carpet is old. Like, I really need some new carpet. When I was younger, I used to drop a lot of stuff on the carpet. So I have some stains on the carpet and I would really like to cover them up. So I decided to get my first rug, and this is so cute. This is so cute. This is so cute. It's just a rainbow sunflower rug. It's so cute. It's so cute. I love it. And this is definitely a good size. I wasn't sure how big or how small it was going to be, but I think this is a good size. Definitely cover up a few spots on this floor. The next thing I picked up were these white flip-flops. So I only got these because I need some shower shoes for when I go back on the road for trucking. And I think these won't do the job. Here's the bottom. And here's the top. I got these in the size 7.5, 8. And they had a few other colors as well. But these were the cheapest. So I was like, I don't care how they look because I'm only going to be wearing them in the bathroom. Next thing I picked up was this water bottle. I think this is so cute. And I will definitely be using this when I go running and when I'm working out. So it has the times, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. And then refill down the bottom. Definitely gonna watch this, but it also comes with a straw. I guess you put this like this. I would assume you put it like this. And then you close it. Ah! And then you can carry it. Okay, I like this. It goes like this, and then you just open it like that and press the button. Boom. And then I guess you just attach the straw. Oh, maybe the straw go on the inside. Yeah, that would make sense. I'm a little slow sometimes, so the straw definitely goes inside. Cause how else you gonna drink the water? All right, there we go. Okay, I got it. And they had 2 other sizes available as well. It's cute. I like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I got 5 resistance bands. And they're all in different sizes. So we have heavy, medium, light. What is this? What is the name? Extra light. And extra heavy. I've already started working out, but I definitely wanted some resistance bands. They do have a 1-piece and a 3-piece available as well. And then, you know, I had to get the matching yoga mat. Like, gotta match the colors. I've been wanting a yoga mat for the longest, and I was like, why not get it from Temu? Since I'm already ordering stuff. All right, so here is the yoga mat. Ooh, this is long. Okay. This is real long. Dang. Bro, is this how yoga mats look? I'm gonna have to put a video on the screen. But are yoga mats usually this long? Like, this is extremely long. I've never had a yoga mat before. I don't even know if I've ever laid on a yoga mat. Yeah, I don't know. But are they usually this long? Like, I'm so serious. But it fits in my floor, so that's all that matters. I will definitely be using this to work out. Stay tuned. Make sure y'all tune into the shorts, because y'all will be seeing a workout video very, very soon. They had other colors available for the yoga mats as well. I picked up another bag. Let's see how this looks, if I can get it open. This is cute. It's so small. This is like a little kitty bag. It's so cute though. All right. Oh wait. Why am I acting slow? Okay, so twist it and boom. This is cute. So we got the gold chain. This chain situation, like hooking it on, is a little weird. Other than that, it's cute. I like it. And I cannot wait to wear this in the spring and summertime. And this can definitely fit a good amount of stuff in here. Next thing I picked up was this crystal hair eraser. I wanted to try this out. This is high quality, painless hair removal. Remove hair with just 1 rub and enjoy hair removal in the comfort of your home. It is recommended to use every 2 to 3 weeks. The best way is to wash the hair with warm water before sanding and then apply the skin back and forth with moisturizer. Okay. Let's open it up. Let's see how it looks. I might try this out tomorrow and see if it works. I don't want to touch it. I'm scared. I want to cut myself. This is how it looks. I'm definitely gonna try this out. I picked up this headband and wristband set, and I got it in the color white. So basically, I would use this when I'm washing my face. So this will help so that the water doesn't go all the way down my arm. I would definitely use this right now since my hair is not in its natural state and it's straight, to keep it from like puffing up and water getting on it. I cannot wait to use this, and it's super stretchy because y'all can see I got a big head. So if you got a big head like me, I believe you can fit it too. I don't want to mess up my hair right now, so I'm not gonna try it on. I'm actually missing one item. I'm missing the heart bracelet that I ordered. I'm really sad about that. That is going to conclude this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. If you're interested in anything that I showed in this video, make sure you check the description box for all the links. Use my code to get a percentage off. And if this will be your first time downloading the app, make sure you go to the description box and download it through that link to get my $100 coupon bundle code. So yeah, make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. I will greatly appreciate it. Help me grow. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.